Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. For Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024! Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me in tears when I trusted my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, money counts another. I beg you, don't embarrass me. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me in tears when I trusted my makeup so nice. Think about me every night. Is it as sweet I get so sick and sleep? Baby, I know that's the best crystal. If you're not down, let it right on. Just chill like Nintendo. Sick and sleep, baby, I know that's the best crystal. Oh yeah, think about me every night. Is it as sweet I get so sick and sleep? Baby, I know that's the best crystal. Put it up, down, left, right, off. Chill like Nintendo. Sick and sleep, baby, I know that's the best crystal. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When they act this way, I know I got him. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 1. Queenie Banana Squad 24. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 2. Sophia K.V. Zaragoza 18. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 2. Jaco Gwen C. Tenaro 20. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 4. Princess Ella Alinaza Almaya 22. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 5. Giselle Monica Marie Leanda 23. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 6. Cindy Agnes Valencia 21. Your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 7.
Introducing Son 21, Miss Bacolod Mascaron number 9. Giselle 23, your Miss Bacolod Mascaron number 10. Queen Marco Lucas, 22, your Miss Bacolod Mascaron number 11.
Jasmine Maguilon, 20, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 12. And Maria Aguilar, 24, your Miss Bacolod Mascara number 13.
Kyla Jane Delarmont, 22, your Miss Bacolod Mascaron number 14.
Keisha Nicole Noreen, 18, Miss Bacolod Mascara number 15.
What can a dream come true there? Some skin and not perfume there. I know I'm on truth there. That morning coffee brewed for you. One touch and I'm brand new for you. Now he's thinking about me and I know that's sweet, I guess so. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. Middle down, I'm tired of shit like Nintendo. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. Thinking about me and I know that's sweet, I guess so. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. Middle down, I'm tired of shit like Nintendo. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. Thinking about me and I know that's sweet, I guess so. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. Middle down, I'm tired of shit like Nintendo. They can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me, espresso. It's that sweet, I guess so. That's that me espresso.
Good afternoon, City of Smiles, and happy Mascara 2024 sa inyong matanan. Can we give our 15 lovely ladies a round of applause, everybody? These amazing ladies are going to be vying for the Sapphire Crown in the 2024 Miss Bacolod Mascara. And I hope you know why it's Sapphire. Today we are celebrating a milestone for the City of Smiles. 45 wonderful years of celebrating Mascara year by year by year. And this will not be possible if not for the smiles, the resilience, and the energy of all Bacolod Nones. Our lovely ladies in so many pre-pageant events, from their sashing, all the way to their talent competition, all the way to their festival costume competition. But today, what makes it special, mas kilalanon kapag hit ang mga ladies. We will get to know them better, especially our sponsors, because they will be giving our ladies random questions today. Our ladies will be picking the sponsors who will be asking them their questions, and with these, aton sila makilala a little bit more with their stories, their informal selves, and how they can bring themselves here in the question and answer on center stage. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome Miss Bacolod Mascara, candidate number 1, Ella Gozon. feel being candidate number one?
It really feels a little bit excited and also nervous, but I know that I did my best in presenting myself today, so I'm confident.
Yes, you keep that confidence, my darling. We're going to be having a fishbowl here at the center, and you will be picking the sponsor who will ask you your question today. I hope you're ready, my dear. All right, can you please give it to me, my darling? Thank you so much. Your question is coming from Diagold. Here we go. Jewelry has long been a symbol of beauty and luxury. How do you think wearing pieces from Oro China jewelry can inspire a sense of empowerment and individuality in a woman?
Jewelry has always been a woman's best friend, and I agree that wearing China's jewelry can help us feel more empowered, more highlighted with our individuality, because honestly our uniqueness is not our weakness. It's actually our strength, and it's what makes us to be more unique and to be more beautiful, because we are all beautiful and we should feel empowered and inspired to inspire also other women that we are uniquely symbolizing the power of women. Thank you.
That was candidate number one, Ella Corazon. Thank you so much, my dear. We are now ready to welcome our second candidate today. Candidate number two, Queenie Kwan. Hi. I love the smile and the energy. How are you feeling?
So happy to be here today.
I know, this is going to be one of the last few steps before we head on to the boss level of the pageants. All right, but now, just trying to think back, looking back, what was your favorite level in all of your MBM journey so far?
My favorite level is like talent, the talent portion, because I was able to express myself with a connection to me advocacy that is very close to my heart, which is about mental health.
Oh, lovely. So the talent portion. Now, my darling, please pick a sponsor for the fishbowl. And the question is gonna be coming from, good luck, my dear, thank you very much, from Magnolia Nutritions. And we welcome Miss Ruby Ann Barcelona. Welcome, welcome. Please toss in the question to our dear candidate.
Question for Amelia. If you could improve one thing in pet care, what would it be and why? If I could improve one thing about pet care, is that would be the healthy habits of our pet. Then I believe that taking care of our pets is one of the important things that we should focus on, not because we needed to, but because of the passion that we love them, not just because of our goals as a person to help our pet, but because we are the owner of their pet and we are their parents, so we have to show them the love, the care, and the passion to help them. And of course, we should always remember that our pets is our best friends, so we have to take good care of them. And as a nurse, it has always been my passion to help the people, not just the people, but also the animals. Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you so much for that question. Oh, I love the applause. And thank you so much, candidate number two, Queenie Kwan. Thank you. Let's welcome candidate number three, Sophia K. Zaragoza. Hi, Sophia. How are you feeling?
Hello, Miss. Good afternoon. Actually, it's quite nervous because it's in Q&A sector, of course.
This is going to be a very informal Q&A, so don't worry. Just inhale and exhale, my dear. Okay, I have a very, very heart-to-heart talk to you right now. What I want to ask you is, how would you describe your entire MBM journey so far in one word? Just one word.
I think I would like to call it as a beautiful pressure. Because
Beautiful pressure, okay?
because I am considered as the youngest. Of course, some people we cannot avoid people to belittle me because of course I am the youngest. But I always put in mind that I should always focus on my goal and to be more determined to win the cup, because I didn't join here for others, but I joined here for my passion in pageantry. Thank you.
All right, but that is not the main question yet. You're going to be picking the sponsor from the fishbowl, and once you got a paper, let's open it, my darling. And this is coming from Cuts Plus. Thank you so much, Cuts Plus. And your question is, as a Miss Bacolod Mascara, how would you creatively collaborate with Cuts Plus Barber Salon to promote the importance of self-care while highlighting Bacolod's vibrant culture during the Mascara Festival? One more time, if you wish. As a Miss Bacolod Mascara, how would you creatively collaborate with Cuts Plus Barber Salon to promote the importance of self-care while highlighting Bacolod's vibrant culture during the Mascara Festival?
Actually, as a working student myself, I was able to pronounce some of it. So I think it's really important for us to have a self-care. You know, I really love to go to a salon, and if given a chance to collaborate with Cuts Plus, of course, I would really love to give it a chance to speak. I would really love to say that it's really important for us to always look good, to always look beautiful, because you know, if you look good, you will always look confident. And I think it's really important for us to practice self-love, and we should not really limit ourselves on how we spend money or on ourselves, especially if we are working hard for it. So I think that this message of mine will be able to people to understand that it's not wrong to spend lots of money for ourselves, because we should really love ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3, Sofia Quezada. Thank you. And now we go to MBM candidate number 4, Angelica Guantanero. Hi. Hello, my darling. Do you feel any pressure so far? No.
Well, I'm feeling quite nervous right now, but I'm excited about what's coming ahead of me.
Yeah, you have to be excited. And I heard that you have been on a strict diet in the entire time of your MBM journey. But my question is, what is your comfort food despite this diet?
My comfort food is probably potato corner, potato fries, which I absolutely love whenever I'm sad and whenever I'm academically pressured in school. I always eat fries.
Okay, all right, so now let's pick your sponsor, my dear. This question is coming from our dear sponsors, and you pick the question from Magnolia Templados. And I would like to give the microphone to Richie Magbanwa to toss the question to our dear candidate, please. Mayong hapon, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
So our question is, what is your opinion on the importance of environmental sustainability?
So as your Miss Bacolod candidate number 4, my take in environmental issues is that as people, it is our responsibility to also take care of our environment, and also as one community, and also as our city, which will be known in the future as Super City. It is essential for us to be responsible, to know our responsibility to take care of our community and our environment. Thank you.
All right, thank you for that question, sir, and thank you so much. Candidate number 4, Angelica Guantanero. Let's go to candidate number 5, Princess Ella Omilia. Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our sponsors here today.
All right, dear, my question, I'm not sure. Are you a singer? You love to sing? You love music or anything?
Yeah, you can say I'm a bit of a singer.
Okay, very, very good. Because my question is, if you were to pick one song that could like encapsulate your whole MBM journey, what would the song be? If you want to sing it, I don't mind really. What is it?
I don't think I have the confidence to sing it here, but I think if I could encapsulate my entire journey in one song, that would be perfect. I think I describe perfection as something that is not entirely perfect, but something that is a bit challenging and a bit of very informative for me. So I think my journey has been totally perfect when it comes to my development as a beauty queen and as a woman.
I love it. Perfect. Is it by Ed Sheeran?
Yeah.
All right, great. Okay, now let's go to your sponsor's question. And this, thank you, my darling. This is coming from our dear sponsor, Mercy. Let me read the question for you from Mercy. Your question is, what does Mascara Festival mean to you? And how do you plan to promote it if you win the title as Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024? One more time, what does Mascara Festival mean to you? And how do you plan to promote it if you win the title as Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024?
Mascara Festival is a celebration that came from a tragedy. We turned a tragedy, a challenge, into something that is celebrative, something that is joyous, something that is colorful. And for me, that also reflects to us that we are resilient, that we are optimistic as Bacolodons. So when I promote Mascara Festival, I would not only promote it by describing the festival as very festive, as very joyous, but also bring to heart the people of Bacolod, because we are Mascara. We are the symbol of Mascara Festival. The smiles on our faces, the vibrance, our hospitality shows that we are Mascara Festival. And promoting it internationally, but by not only embodying what a Bacolonia is, but also encouraging others to always smile, because remember, a smile is a promise of hope, a story of hope, and every step forward is a promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 5. Heading on to candidate number 6. This is Julia Mika Maurice Lianza. Hi dear, how are you feeling? Doing good. You are shining bright like a diamond today. Okay, my darling, my question is, can you please describe to us what your daily routine has been since you've been starting your MBM journey? Daily routine.
Actually, I have a lot of routines in a day, but I would like to focus on my working out because I'm fond of working out so much. So that is one daily routine that I would like to share to everyone.
No wonder. We can see the beautiful physique tonight. And your question coming from your sponsor, it is coming from, thank you dear, thank you. This is from MVIC Bacolod, and we give the microphone to Mr. John Christian Pestaño. Mayong hapon, welcome sir.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
If you were to be road safety ambassadors, how will you advocate for road safety, in traffic management, and the development of Bacolod City into a safer city?
I believe that I will be able to promote those guidelines and also to road safety in the way of creating seminars to the people. Especially as of now, we are leading to become a super city, and I believe that road safety is essential in their everyday lives. And in order for us to achieve this kind of, to become a super city with safety of our people. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, candidate number 6, and thank you for that question as well, sir. Heading on to candidate number 7, we welcome Cindy Valencia. Hello, Cindy, how are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm feeling my best today.
Very good. No, thank you. You have to embrace it. Let's manifest the best today.
That is true.
All right, my darling, my question for you is, other than your fellow candidates, what will be the thing that you will miss the most when the pageant ends?
Well, probably the process of the entire pageant. As a marketing girly, I am thriving with all of the assets team organizing these beautiful events, as well as seeing the drive and the determination and the preparation process of the girls, as well as the people who supports them, seeing the smiles of Bacolodons with every events of Miss Bacolod Mascara is what I will miss the most. And it's something that I will reminisce and I will keep as a treasure and a memory whenever in the future I am.
Great. Okay, but if that is not the real question yet, let's go to the fishbowl case, my dear. Pick a sponsor, pick a question. Your question is coming from Chore Travel and Tours. And we welcome Mr. Jordan Namparon here today to toss you the question. Maayong hapon, welcome sir.
Good afternoon. I'm smiling because this is going to be an easy question. Okay? If Bacolod JOR Travel and Tours Incorporated will give you the chance to take one member in your family to travel with you, who would you choose and why?
I would choose my father because he is a PWD, so he has sometimes trouble walking,
and thus cannot travel so far. And I am willing to take him with this journey because I believe that traveling is not just about going to places. It's about embracing diversity as well as being able or willing to effectively communicate with other languages. It's about gaining perspective. And as far as I know, my father is a very intelligent person, as well as he has a lot of wisdom that he has given me, saying that I am standing here today as your Miss McCall Mascara number 7. So I would take him to places, anywhere that I would like to go in the world, seeing all of the languages, all of the people, meet other people, because I believe that traveling is opening another portal for understanding, international and cultural understanding, as well as being able to learn many lessons from life that you take on your journey to life, as well being able to impart lessons to other people, and that itself becomes a sense of unity in the books of travel. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7, and thank you so much, sir.